Hello and welcome to this short Zoom tutorial video. Let's start by downloading the Zoom app. To download the Zoom app, please open the website www.zoom.us/download and click on the blue download button. After you have downloaded the program, please click on the program installer in the download folder. A similar window will open where you need to run the installer. It will take a few minutes to download the Zoom app and you will be automatically notified when the installation is complete. Then you will be asked if you want to open the app. Here, please click on Open Zoom Meetings. You will then need to log in with your account. Here, you can create a new account or use, for example, your Google account. You will then be automatically redirected to the Zoom app start page. Here you can adjust your video and audio settings before the meeting. Please try this out before the meeting to make sure that your microphone and speakers and video are working. This way you can be sure that everything will work when the meeting starts. You can access the meeting by clicking on the Zoom link in the email. In the next pop-up window, you will see your video preview, and after clicking on Join the Meeting, you will be forwarded to the meeting where you will see the following screen. In a meeting, you can adjust your microphone and audio output on the bottom left-hand side and switch on your camera and microphone. To use the chat function, please click on the chat icon. During the meeting, you will be automatically assigned to breakout rooms and can take part in polls. Here, please follow the instructions in the pop-up window. If you have any further questions, please contact one of the COCOS-IPF researchers and arrange a phone or video call where you will be guided through all the previous steps to ensure you feel comfortable at the consensus workshop. Thank you for your participation.